Hello students, again I have come in front of you to tell about how much syllabus is reduced in physics and chemistry for class 10 students. I have taken the book in consideration, that is Concise Physics by Selena Publications, and chemistry book A New Approach to ICSE Chemistry by Goyal Brothers Publication. First of all, as you know that CISC board has been reduced the syllabus about 25% in all the subjects. Already I have made one video for the mathematics in class 10. This is the second video for class 10. Here I have made the video to explain that which topic has been removed from your syllabus, means from your book. Now you are not supposed to study these topics because council has prescribed, or you can say the published the syllabus, only the new syllabus, not compare with the old one, and not told the which topic has been cut down, removed from your book, from your syllabus. Only publish the how much how much syllabus is there after cutting, but cutting has not told कि कितना cut हुआ है. So I am here only to tell which portion, which topic, which exercise will not come now in your examination, especially in board examination. If you will watch this video till the end, you will get the sufficient knowledge about your reduced syllabus. This is my effort that I explain everything about your reduced syllabus. So I start with the physics subject, and I have here the old syllabus and the new syllabus copy, and I have seen the book also in which the how much portion topic is reduced. First of all, I tell you that one thing, why it happened, because means why the council has said or reduced this 25% only due to pandemic corona disease. So I request to all of you, stay home, be safe. That's why no one is going to school and no teachers also going to school. Only online teaching is there. Teachers also doing the effort and students also. That is why council thought that if the syllabus reduced, then it will be good for the teachers as well as for the students. First of all, we take the chapter book physics. If you have the physics book Concise Physics Selena Publication, then it will be good for you. 2021, the new book, and the topic has been reduced. Chapter 1 and 2, the full will come. There is no reduction in the 1 and 2 chapter. And 1 and 2 chapter, as you know, these two chapters are force, first chapter, work, energy and power, second chapter. But something is reduced in chapter 3, machine, you can say. In machine, the lever topic, principle of lever, principle, first order, second order, third order, and everything related with the lever has been cut now. Means you are not to study this part, lever topic. So principle, first, second and third class of lever, examples, mechanical advantage, velocity ratio. In the lever case, example of each these of classes of lever are also found in human body. You will not study for this academic year 2020-21. due to pandemic, only for this is, you can say, the special year for you. Then next chapter is chapter 5. In 4 every topic will come in chapter 4. Chapter 5, what you have to cut, the power of lens only definition will come, and the basic understanding on the curvature or thickness of the lens. Means what is cut here in your syllabus, the simple direct numerical problems of the power of lens, magnifying glass or simple microscope also has been cut, location of images, magnification from ray diagram, only formula numerical application of lenses, these have been cut now. So only the power of lens with definition and basic understanding of the curvature or thickness of the lens is there. Lenses including characteristics of images formed, ये सब है. डिटरमाइनिंग द, सिर्फ पावर ऑफ लेंस जो इसका सेकंड सेक्शन है पावर ऑफ लेंस, उसमें पावर ऑफ लेंस की सिर्फ डेफिनेशन आएगी और कर्वेचर और थिकनेस के ऊपर बस पूछा जाएगा पावर के लिए. देन वी टॉक अबाउट द नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज चैप्टर 6, स्पेक्ट्रम. इन द स्पेक्ट्रम which portion will not come, only the scattering of light will not come. Scattering of light, it is now removed from your syllabus for this year only, so it will not come. Simple application of scattering of light, that is blue color of the sky, मतलब ये सब अब नहीं आएंगे scattering of light से related. Then we tell about the chapter 7 in the sound. In sound, the third section जिसमें loudness है, pitch and quality of sound है, the meaning of the terms आएगा and the factors affecting them, but the characteristics of the sound, loudness, intensity, subjective and objective nature, their property, sound level and dB, पिच, फ्रीक्वेंसी, क्वालिटी, वेव फॉर्म, ये सब नहीं आएगा. ओनली द डेफिनेशन, मीनिंग ऑफ द लाउडनेस, पिच एंड क्वालिटी ऑफ साउंड, इट विल कम विद देयर फैक्टर्स, मतलब ये किस पे इफेक्ट करते हैं थर्ड सेक्शन में. बाकी फर्स्ट सेक्शन एंड सेकंड सेक्शन दैट विल कम. तो लाउडनेस, पिच और क्वालिटी पे ध्यान दीजिएगा. मीनिंग ऑफ द टर्म्स आएगा और उसके फैक्टर, अदरवाइज उसके आगे जो भी लिखा है कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ साउंड, लाउडनेस, इंटेंसिटी, सब्जेक्टिव, ऑब्जेक्टिव नेचर, ये सब अब नहीं आएंगे. नाउ वी टेल अबाउट द हाउसहोल्ड सर्किट. चैप्टर 8, द फुल विल कम. इन हाउसहोल्ड सर्किट which portion or which topic will not come, the house wiring ring system and power distribution will not come. House wiring ring system and power distribution will not come. Also circuit diagram of two-way switch and staircase wiring will not come. Two-way switches जो होता है और उनके जो staircase wiring होती है वो भी नहीं आएगी. रिंग सिस्टम पावर नहीं आएगा, पावर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नहीं आएगा, बाकी आएगा. नाउ द चैप्टर 10, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिज्म. In electromagnetism, especially the things will come, only the little change that I think no need to tell. तो वो चीज़ नहीं है. इसमें कुछ बड़ा भी है. लेंजेस ला इट इज इंक्रीज नाउ, बाकी और सब आएगा इसमें. देन चैप्टर 11, कैलोरीमेट्री, द विल कम. ये नहीं कटा है, इसमें सारे टॉपिक आएंगे. बट रेडियो एक्टिविटी, चैप्टर 12, रेडियो एक्टिविटी, द सेकेंड पार्ट, न्यूक्लियर फिजन एंड फ्यूजन, बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन एंड इक्वेशंस, दीज विल नॉट कम. न्यूक्लियर फिजन नहीं आएगा, न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन नहीं आएगा, बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ दिस एंड इक्वेशंस, इट विल नॉट कम. So you have it is all over about the physics. Now I tell you for the chemistry. In chemistry, what section will come and what topic will not come in the chapter. This is the periodic property and other thing, and this book I have taken a new approach to ICSE chemistry, this part, and by Goyal brothers. Physics was there, concise physics जो पहले हमने बताया, it is concise physics by Selena publication. Now the first chapter was modern periodic table and periodic properties. Full syllabus is there, मतलब इसमें पूरा चैप्टर आएगा. There is no cut. In chemical bonding also there is no cut. Study in third one the acid, base and salts. There some topic has been removed. जैसे इसमें दिया गया है, this is the fifth topic, method of preparation of normal salts with relevant equations, detail operators, and there the method included direct combination, displacement, ये सब है, neutralization of an alkali. These will not come. Now you can say the fifth section in third chapter, study of acid, bases and salts, the fifth section will not come. Then mole concept, chapter 4, analytical chemistry will come, everything. But in mole concept, this is the numerical chapter, this was the numerical, and it बहुत ही अच्छा हुआ कि इसमें ये काफ़ी सारे पोर्शन कट गए. ओनली द वन पार्ट इज लेफ्ट. विच पार्ट? थर्ड पार्ट मोल कॉन्सेप्ट एंड स्टायोकेमिस्ट्री, that is vapor density and its relation to relative molecular mass. Related to this will come molecular mass आएगा, deduction of simple percentage composition of compound and the masses of, मतलब थर्ड सेक्शन, थर्ड पार्ट जो इसमें दिया गया है आपके सिलेबस में, only that will come and other will not come. जैसे फर्स्ट पार्ट, सेकेंड पार्ट, फोर्थ पार्ट and fifth part will not come in the examination. Then we talk about the metallurgy, because electrolysis full chapter will come. Metallurgy, in metallurgy the stages, second part, in metallurgy the second part, stages involved in the extraction of the metal A, B, C, D, these will not come now. तो इसको नहीं पढ़ना है, stages जो भी हैं उसको नहीं पढ़ना है. Then एवरीथिंग इन स्टडी ऑफ द कंपाउंड्स, हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड हो गया, अमोनिया है, नाइट्रिक एसिड, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, दीज विल कम. इन ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री द पार्ट, सिक्स्थ पार्ट, ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री देयर आर फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, हाइड्रोकार्बन्स, एल्केन्स, एंड इन सिक्स्थ पार्ट एल्कोहल्स इज देयर. एल्कोहल, एथेनॉल प्रिपरेशन विल नॉट कम. एंड सेवेंथ पार्ट आल्सो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स, acetic acids will not come, and these because alcohol and carboxylic acid, the sixth part and seventh part, these will not come in the examination. This is all about the chemistry subject of class 10. So I think you have got the knowledge from this video, and will cut the syllabus in your book also. Okay, thank you, all the best.